Hello everyone. I hope the lighting is a little bit better. I have my ceiling light on and then my ring light in front of me, but I wanted to film just a regular get ready with me, but then I also wanted to share some of the current products that I am loving. These products are mainly like my new makeup that I got in April, and it's not a lot, it's just a very little bit, but I just wanted to do a very simple look, have the clips in the hair, all the jade on with me. So let's just dive right into it. I zoomed in my face. Ooh. And I'm also like breaking out. So to start off, I'm gonna prime, and I actually just picked this up. If you watched my Seattle vlog, you would know that I went to the Glossier store in Seattle and I picked up this priming moisturizer balance, and this is an oil controlled gel cream. If you have watched some of my previous videos, you would know that I cannot use super thick moisturizing creams. It breaks me out, my skin can't handle it, so I have to use something super light. And so when I saw this, which I had never seen on their website before, I picked it up and I bought it because I was intrigued and I really like it. So I'm just taking a really small amount and I'm just gonna apply this all over the face. It's also like 5 o'clock and I just did my skincare for the day because I was not feeling good all day today. I just had like this massive headache, but I wanted to do something light. So I'm actually going to go in with my Glossier Pot Concealer, and I'm just taking a Real Techniques brush and I'm just going to conceal anywhere that I have acne, anywhere that needs to be covered. Taking my beauty blender and I'm just gonna start blending it out. All the concealer is blended out. I also just wanted to say that we are at like 370 subscribers, which is like insane because I hit 300 like not even that long ago, which makes me very happy. So if you're new here, hello, welcome. I literally have not used a pomade for my eyebrows in a really long time, but I decided I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade. Mine is in the shade soft brown. I used to use the dark brown one, but that one was just a little bit too dark. You know, this one like does kind of make my eyebrows look a little bit more red, but once I fix it with like concealer and I put gel through it, it's fine. I also just reshaped my eyebrows because my eyebrows do not like one another and they give me such a hard time. I'm going to finish off the eyebrows and then I will be right back. Okay, the brows are finished and I'm going to move on to the rest of the face now, which is where I'm going to talk about another one of my favorites, and it is the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer and the Putty Blush. I talked about this in my last makeup video, I believe. I think it was my college morning routine video. I did briefly mention these, like my first impressions of me trying them out. So if you haven't watched that, I got my bronzer in the shade Tan Lines and then my putty blush in the shade Turks and Caicos. But I have been just taking a Real Techniques brush and I've been using the same brush with these two just so that it blends flawlessly, and I was really impressed with these products because I heard a lot of mixed reviews on them, so I just wasn't really sure what to think. I am pleasantly surprised. I do blend it all out later with my beauty blender, but I just take it, stamp it in the area that I want, and then kind of disperse it just a little bit. I'm gonna do the forehead next. The blush, she's so pretty, but you know me, I have been going extra with my blush for as long as I've been wearing makeup. I get really bad rosacea sometimes, and so I would just put extra blush over it to like make it pop, and people would be like, wow, you have a lot of blush on today. Or I don't know, I learned to embrace it because I used to get teased with it in elementary school. People used to be like, oh, you're blushing, you have a crush on this person, or da 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 da, and I'd be like, like, look at how beautiful it looks. And it's like the perfect color shade. This reminds me of like the colored blush that I would use in high school, which I only owned one blush in high school. And it was like Kylie Cosmetics one, and I actually still have it at my house back home. I did want to set it really quickly. I'm just gonna use my ColourPop blush and then this matte bronzer by Honolulu just to set the cream just a little bit. I'm taking this big fluffy brush from Morphe for my bronzer because we are going to a movie. I don't want to do too much. I just want to do the basic stuff. I'm going to move on to eyes. And I'm taking this ColourPop gel eyeliner. I got a lot of questions on this on my TikTok, which made me very happy because ColourPop did send these to me. And this one, I know it's like yellow and like the packaging is like yellow, but it comes out like a white. And so I just like take my beauty blender and so I don't have any finger marks, and then I just run it on the waterline and it lasts all day. I'm not even joking. And I believe these are, well, I look so scary with no mascara on, but I believe that these are super inexpensive as well. I think they might be around $7. I will put the price on the screen if I can find it. But then I'm just gonna top my lashes off with the Lash Princess. I swear, does that not look like I have fake eyelashes on? Whenever I don't wear mascara for like a couple days, and I put mascara on, my lashes are always like super long. This is the difference. But I've been raving about this mascara since I bought it. I bought it last year and I'm still using it. This is my third time repurchasing. Bottom lashes are done. And I just want to say, so I'm half Asian and I used to have the problem where my eyelashes would only go facing downwards. I might have found a trick, at least for me, that helped my eyelashes actually curl up. I made a mixture of vitamin E and castor oil, and I put it on my eyelashes every night. And I started doing this last year, as well as pairing it with this mascara, and now I don't have an issue with curling my eyelashes. I don't know if it'll work for everybody else, but it worked for me, and I just wanted to share the tip out there. Okay, now for lips. I'm not gonna do much. I'm just taking my Dragon Beauty lip pencil, and I'm gonna fill in the lips a little bit. And then another one of my favorites that I haven't talked about is the Fenty Beauty lipstick. I don't know what shade mine is in, but pop it out. And I don't apply it on like directly onto my lips. I take a little brush. So this is a Real Techniques brush, and I just brush the product on, and then I brush it onto the lips. I'm gonna take my Bobbi Brown eyeshadow stick. This one is in golden pink, and it is the perfect inner corner highlight. And then I'm also taking my favorite Becca Cosmetics highlighter. This is in Vanilla Core, and I'm just going to, wherever I see shine, I just tilt my head and I put the highlighter where the shine is. Okay, I'm just taking my setting spray and I'm just gonna set my face really quickly. All right, the look is done, and I'm so excited to go watch this movie. We're gonna go watch the new Doctor Strange movie, and the trailer looks crazy. The recent Spider-Man movie was also really good, and I know that they kind of hinted at that. So I'm super excited to see the movie. And so I really hope you enjoyed this natural glam look. It's super simple, super easy. Please leave any video recommendations in the comments below so that I can tend to you guys and post stuff that you guys are interested in seeing. Also, thank you again for almost 400 subscribers. I'm sure by next week we will be there, which is absolutely insane. Don't know how that happened, but I'm extremely grateful, so thank you so much. I will see you on Wednesday because I'm posting twice this month. So I will see you guys on Wednesday. Bye!